Hello, this is Tara with Northwest Association for Blind Athletes, and this is how to do spine stretch forward. Come to a seated position, sitting upright. Legs are extended out in front of you and open them wider than shoulder width apart if you have a yoga mat, a little bit wider than the distance of your yoga mat. Sitting up tall, extend your arms out in front of you. Arms stay at the same level as your shoulders, palms face down. Flex your feet to curl your toes towards you. From here, reach your arms forward, tuck your chin to your chest, and extend your shoulders forward while pulling your belly button back. As you reach forward, try to reach past your toes, keeping your arms level with your shoulders. Arms are parallel to your legs. Then, on an inhale, come up to seated, sitting up nice and tall, and on an exhale, repeat. Reach your arms forward, palms face down, shoulders come forward, belly button pulls back, arms stay parallel with your legs. Come back up, and that is how to do spine stretch forward. Thanks for watching.